This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start immediately. Plug an external drive or mount a network share with plenty of free space, sign in as administrator, and stop sleep. Once done, close heavy apps so files aren't locked, then open Control Panel and choose Backup and Restore Windows 7. Make a system image by selecting Create a System Image. This captures Windows, apps, and settings. You're doing this to ensure a full restore point rather than scattered file copies, so proceed without delay. Now select where the image goes and what gets included. Pick your external HDD or a network SMB folder and make sure the tool includes the system and recovery partitions. Windows will estimate the size, so check it. Once selected, confirm settings and choose whether to run now or schedule recurring images. If you prefer more control, such as incremental images or faster compression, consider third-party imaging software. Otherwise, proceed with the built-in image to create a reliable snapshot for full restores. Finish by creating a Windows Recovery USB and labeling it, then safely eject and store backups offline or offsite. Once the image completes, make sure to test by booting into the recovery environment and verifying the image is recognized. This proves your restore will work. If the backup fails, troubleshoot. Check volume shadow copy service status, clear shadow copies to free space, run chkdsk on source and destination, and rerun the image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.